Hello guys, Max here. Welcome back to another video. And on this video, we are going to be playing the world's easiest game. So yeah, let's get to it. The world's easiest game. I don't want to get copyrighted, so yeah. The world's easiest game. Your reputation is intelligent and visual precedes you. That, however, is not the name of the game today. I'm Queasy Cat, and due to unfortunate condition, I cannot stay on the side of a difficult question. All of the following questions will be easy. I mean, really easy. Don't make them difficult or you will fail. Like me, you'll get 9 lives and 9 only. I'll be timing you, so get ready. Get out of here, timer. Press the enter button. Idiot. Fill in the G E and E. Done. Dang it. 8. No, wait. It is 8. Yes. Ew, that's too much. Aqua is for another word. Soda. When you made your mistakes. What is this? Huh? What is it? It's North Carolina. What is your shape? I think it's a square, but there's no square option. Mom, there's no square option on this game. Fine, I'll pick a triangle. Yeah, this game is bugged out. I'm reporting it. Four-letter words. 4-letter words. Color of the sun. Blue. What? Question 8. Kill the zombies. Well, I ain't stupid. Rocket launcher. You're just gonna sleep there while people are. Nine. What? No. This is my dog, Blue. $22. I did it! I totally didn't cheat. Yeah, ugly. Whoa, I didn't know my name. A man wants to marry his widow's sister. No. How many stars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. No, wait, it was 4 million though. There are 8 miles away by a house. How far can you walk into the woods? 8. What? Grandma, do you want to go to the mall with me, John and I? John and I. Okay. 101. I wonder if this is actually 101. Someone pause and like count all of them. No, don't. I'm just kidding. Don't. That's just a waste of your time. Yes. This one. The word swims. No! Click the button. Click the button. Click the button. Why is it so hard? Jesus. I don't want to waste my coin. It's like, okay, I don't want to waste my, I want to go, they're playing poker. I can stay here. But I don't want to waste my time, so. Bye, Shocky. What do you put in a toaster? Purple, Chris Campbell, gold, okay, okay, alright, orange, purple, alright, Chris Campbell, and, gold. Okay, Chris Campbell, I think they want me to say yellow. Purple. Chris's. Cats. Only dogs, but I guess, you want to put this under here. Come on. Get water in it. You wanna put the these flowers, okay? Now destroy them. Awesome! What more powerful than God? The devil itself. Which people have here? Nothing. What is square? Wait. $211.